Hello, friends, viewers. Very good morning to all of you. This is Twin Kanti in front of you. Today I am on over here to make another video. Uh, on this video, I am going to share with you my opinion. If you have some free time of your daily life, you can easily make a vegetable garden like me. I have already made a vegetable garden. Have a look. This is my vegetable garden behind me, and all around the garden I have already given a fence tightly to protect my vegetable garden from the cattle. And I have also cultivated some pigeon pea tree. This is, you can see, this is pigeon pea tree. It's one kind of fence tree. So guys, let's go and watch my vegetable garden. This is not a big vegetable garden. The area of the garden is 1 or 2 kathas. And my vegetable garden is situated beside a pond, and this is very helpful to watering my garden. You can see this is the pond. You can see this is the pond, and here the entrance of my garden. Now I can enter my garden. So have a look. There are lots of fresh fruit on my garden. So now I am going to describe you one by one all the vegetables which I have cultivated here. Actually, I have divided so many parts of my garden, and every part I have a different type of vegetables. So now I reverse my camera. So viewers, you can see this is French beans. I have cultivated a lot of French beans, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, and here I have cultivated a lot of peas, green pea. They are getting flowers and fruit also. You can see this is pea, a lot of pea. Here a lot of peas. You can see a lot of peas. And next you can see here a lot of garlic. Here I have cultivated garlic on this section. So all of the garlic. And so guys, this is another row. I have divided this row into 2 sections, and one of the section I have cultivated coriander leaf. You can see fresh green coriander leaf, and a lot of coriander leaf here. You can see a lot of coriander leaf, and here I have also cultivated a pumpkin. This is pumpkin tree. This is pumpkin tree, and here I have cultivated a tomato tree. It's getting flower now. So let's go. The another part of this row I have cultivated here the spinach vegetable, and this is the queen of winter vegetable. This is the queen of winter vegetable. You can not think without spinach in winter. a lot of spinach here, but now they are getting flower also. And friends, here I have cultivated some bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd tree. You can see this is bitter gourd tree. It's getting a flower also. So let's go. On this section I have cultivated radish. There are a lot of radish, but you can see they are getting flowers. A lot of flowers they are getting. So let's go and watch carefully all of my vegetable. Friends, this is another row, and this row I have divided 3 parts. One part I have cultivated carrots, and middle of the part I have cultivated fenugreek leaves, and other side, rest of the row I have cultivated pointed gourd. Now you can watch carefully one by one. This is carrot. You can see this is carrot. This is carrot. This is carrot. And you can see carefully. This is fenugreek leaf. It's a very tasty vegetable in winter. Fenugreek leaf, very tasty vegetable. And rest of the row I have cultivated pointed gourd. I have made a small platform for this pointed gourd tree. This is pointed gourd tree. You can see a lot of new branches are spread over the platform. So friends, this is another row, and I have divided many parts of this row. First of all, in this 2 row I have cultivated ginger and green chili. This is a green chili tree, and this is ginger tree. This is ginger, but in winter the ginger tree are getting dry. You see, and there are a lot of green chili tree. This is another green chili tree. All of this rest of this green chili tree. This is green chili tree. They are all getting flowers. Friends, look at this tree. This is tomato tree. A lot of fresh tomato. A lot of tomato getting here. This is tomato tree, another tomato tree. This is another tomato tree. A lot of tomato on the tree. And here I have cultivated some brinjal tree. You can see some brinjal tree. This is brinjal tree. This is brinjal tree. You can see the brinjal. This is fresh brinjal. I am binding the brinjal with plastic carry to protect birds and insects. So this is a very common technique to protect your brinjal. Friends, this is the another part of my vegetable garden. Here I have divided 4 rows on this section, and here I have cultivated cabbage and cauliflower. You can see fresh cauliflower. This is green cabbage. A lot of green cabbage here. green beautiful flower, cauliflower. That looks. This is another vegetable. Call it Malabar spinach. This is Malabar spinach. Here I have cultivated a lot of cabbage and cauliflower. A lot of cabbage and cauliflower. You can see. Very beautiful. All of the vegetables are. Friends, you can see this is yard-long beans. I have cultivated so many yard-long beans. Friends, here I have cultivated a lot of banana tree. You can see a bunch of banana. So guys, you can see here, this is water spinach. So friends, have a look. This is plantain flower and a bunch of banana. Very beautiful sight this is. And here you can see this is drumstick tree, and here this is another papaya tree. You can see here I have made another platform over the pond. There are no trees on this platform in winter season. This is Hibiscus Rosa sinensis flower tree. You can see I have cultivated a lot of Rosa sinensis tree. You can see some cucumber and also this is cucumber. So friends, you can see that I have cultivated a lot of vegetables. You can do that if you want. So at the end of this video, I want to ask a question to all of you. Please tell me how many vegetables I have cultivated here. How many vegetables I have cultivated here? Please write on comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.